Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video today I'll be teaching you or showing you how to make this beautiful and trendy headband. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please ensure you do so, and also tap on the notification bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. And you can also follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, Thydee Fashion. These are the pieces I'll be needing. Of course, you can make use of any fabric of your choice. So here I have a doll face, and I've cut okay. So I actually did like 3/4 of an inch inward and 6 inches upward, and now I'm going to just mark as shown and trim off. Okay, so this is just to reduce the bulkiness, okay, at the extreme by the time we are folding or we're trying to attach together. Okay, so I'm going to be trimming off as usual. The two short pieces that we have here, the 15 inches by 3, one will serve as my inner lining and the other will serve as my elastic casing. I have 7 inches elastic cut out already. So now the next thing for me to do is to sew. Okay, I'm going to be sewing 1/4 of an inch inward, of course on the wrong side. Okay, so from the top down. Okay, then you do the same on this one, sew down just 0.25 or 1/4 of an inch. So make sure you sew on the wrong side. All right, so once I'm done I will show you. So now I'm done sewing, and this is what I have already turned them to the right side. Of course I sewed the wrong side and now they're on the right side, so I did turn them over. So and this one is, of course, I really need to show you how I did mine. So I'm going to be inserting my pin as shown and just put it inside and bring it from the other end. So that is how you turn to the right side from the wrong side. So this is what I'm doing right now. So can you see it is very easy? So you and ensure you also bring it out from the other end. All right, it is my inner lining. That is what will sure you use it to cover the stitches that you made, okay, on the elastic. So that is the idea, so that it will be very neat. In this video, I actually used a needle and thread to attach. Much for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next videos. Please ensure you subscribe and do not also forget to tap on that bell. Bye.